How to download and install SkipTheDishes mobile app. So if you want to download a SkipTheDishes, which is a food delivery app on your mobile device, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So it can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first thing is you need to open up to Google Play Store. And in the search bar, you just have to type and search for SkipTheDishes. And right after searching, you'll be able to see this application. So you may know that SkipTheDishes is a food delivery app which will help you by delivering food to your location easily. So the availability of this application depends upon the certain location. So right now it's not available on my location, but if it's available on your location, then you just can tap over the application and you can tap over the install option. It will take a few time to install. You just have to wait for a while. And after installing, you can create your account, or you can also log into your account, and from over there you will be guided to order food, or you'll be easily able to use that application. You just have to install it and go for it. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got further queries, then you can leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching.